Hello. Today, we'll walk you through how to create an analysis using the Retention module in the Dataroid platform. Retention helps you understand when and/or how often users complete a target event after a starting event you define. With this structure, you can see how long it takes users who enter a flow to reach a target step, analyze the average duration of specific processes, and understand how changes made by your team impact user behavior. We're now on the retention page, where you can see a list of previously created retention scenarios. You can reach this page by clicking the Retention button in the left menu of the Dataroid panel. Let's create a sample retention analysis together. For example, let's create a scenario where we look at when users who completed onboarding go on to make a payment. To get started, click the New Analysis button in the top right corner. Now you can set up the details of your analysis. First, you need to give your retention scenario a name. After that, you need to select a starting event and a return event for the scenario you want to track. The starting event represents the initial action you want to track in the user journey, while the return event is the target behavior you expect to occur after that action. By clicking the Add Event buttons, you can select up to 3 starting events and 3 return events. The events you choose are connected with an OR logic, meaning the scenario is triggered when a user completes any one of these events. For example, if you want to analyze the payment behavior of users who have completed onboarding, you can select Onboarding Success as your starting event and Payment Success as your return event. On the right side of the screen, you can optionally apply user property filters. These filters allow the analysis to run only for users with specific attributes. Additionally, you can use the Group By feature to segment users who completed the starting event based on a specific user or device property and compare them. For example, you can group users by platform, campaign source, or segment. In the Analysis Criteria section, you'll see 4 different analysis methods. The End-Day Analysis method shows how often users who complete the starting event perform the return event over time. First Occurrence analyzes how long it takes users to complete the return event for the first time. Last Occurrence lets you analyze the most recent time users performed the return event. Unbounded Retention measures how long it takes users to reach the target event after the starting event without a time limit and can be used to evaluate long-term user behavior. In the final step, we define the start date, end date, and breakdown options for the analysis. This step determines the date range the analysis will run in and how the results will be segmented over time. Once you've completed all selections, click Save and Apply to run the analysis. The model will process the data and present the results in cohorts. In the final result, you'll be able to clearly see which day or week users complete the return event after the starting event. We'll cover how to interpret retention results for each analysis method in our dedicated analysis videos. Thank you for watching.